Hello students, greetings to one and all. This is Sapna Atri and today we'll do the topic types of sentences. Students, do you know what is a sentence? Okay, let me define. The sentence is generally defined as a word or a group of words that expresses a thorough idea by giving a statement, order, or asking a question or exclaiming. It is the largest unit of any language. In English, it begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. In other words, a sentence is a group of words, usually containing a verb that expresses a thought in the form of a statement, question, instruction, or exclamation, and start with the capital letter when written. Students, ideally a sentence requires at least one subject and one verb. Sometimes the subject of the sentence can be hidden, but the verb must be visible and present in the sentence. Verb is called the heart of a sentence. For example, he is a good boy. A statement. Is he a good boy? Question. What a nice weather! Exclaiming. Types of sentences. Students, according to their purpose, sentences are classified into four categories. First one is assertive. Second is interrogative. Third one, imperative. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Number 1, assertive sentence, or you can also call it declarative or statement. An assertive sentence is a statement that gives some information. It always ends with a full stop. The usual word order for the declarative or assertive sentence is subject plus verb. Declarative or assertive sentence can be positive or negative. For example, I like coffee. Negative sentence, I don't like coffee. Second example, we watched TV last night. We did not watch TV last night. Declarative sentence, or you can say assertive sentence, are the most common type of sentences. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences ask a question. They ask us something. They want information and they always end with a question mark. The usual word order for the interrogative sentence is WH word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. Interrogative sentence can be positive or negative. Look at these examples. Positive. Do you like coffee? Why did you go? The same sentences in negative form are don't you like coffee? Why didn't you go? Moving next, imperative sentences. An imperative sentence expresses a command or request or gives a suggestion or some advice. It always ends with a full stop. The usual words order for the imperative sentence is base verb. And one more important thing that you have to keep in your mind is there is usually no subject. Why? Because subject is understood. For example, stop, and negative of it, do not stop. Give her coffee. Negative of it, don't give her coffee. Moving to the fourth type of sentence, it is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses sudden or strong feeling. It always ends with an exclamation mark. And the usual words order for the exclamatory sentences is, if it is starting with what, then you have to add adjective plus noun plus subject and verb. And if it is starting with how, then how plus adjective or adverb plus subject and plus verb. Students, use of how is done to intensify the adjective or adverb, while the use of what modifies the noun phrase in the sentence. For example, what a liar he is. What an exciting movie it was. How he lied. How exciting the movie was. Students, hope you understood this topic very well. This topic, of course, will help you to understand the other topics of the sentences and grammar as well. So, thank you. Keep learning, rise and shine.